The next construction I want to do is construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment. Remember, a perpendicular bisector is a line that splits a segment completely in half, and wherever the two lines intersect, it creates 4 right angles. So to start here, you have to put your pointer on one end. All right, and make sure that your new line goes over about halfway. There is no magic distance, but it has to go long. You have to see it longer than half. And then you have to come to the other point down here, and you draw your other line. And then, whenever you do that, you need to take your ruler and you need to match up the 2 intersecting lines with straight down, and there you go. It actually helps if, I'll show you on this next one over here. It helps if you draw this line the whole way down. So you draw it down to a half circle. So on the next page, construct a perpendicular bisector to the given segment. So what I'm going to do is put one point on this end and make sure that this new point goes about a little bit more than halfway. It doesn't have to be exact, but just halfway. And you're going to draw up and down. You're going to make a nice semicircle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start on this end, put your pointer on this end, and make sure it goes, keeping the same distance that you draw. All right, so sorry about that, bump the holder. So this distance right here, it needs to be the same distance. So without changing the distance on your compass, put one point here, one point there, and then draw your line. Now you just need these lines to intersect, so as soon as they intersect, you are finished. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take your ruler, and you're going to match up the top point here, all right, and this bottom point down there. You're going to match up those points and then draw a line in between those points. And there you have it. You have constructed a perpendicular bisector to the given segment.